In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact QuickBooks Online support. This tutorial is designed to guide you smoothly through the process, ensuring you're able to reach out for help without any stress or confusion, whether you're facing a technical glitch, have a billing question, or need support for anything related to QuickBooks Online. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get in touch with their support team. Firstly, let's navigate to the QuickBooks website. As the digital doorstep to all their services, this is where you'll begin. The layout is user-friendly, but it's essential to know where to click. Once the website has loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the home page. Here you'll find a Sign In button. Clicking this will bring you closer to accessing the support you need. It's a small but significant step in the right direction. After selecting Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Type in your email address and password associated with your QuickBooks account. By signing in, you're not only validating your identity, but also ensuring the support team can access your account details, making it easier to assist you. With access to your account, locate the Help option, also situated at the top right-hand corner of the screen. This is your gateway to support and assistance. Clicking here will take you to a dedicated section designed to help solve any issues you might be facing with QuickBooks Online. To proceed, you'll need to communicate your need for human assistance. In the Help section, you'll see a search bar or a prompt asking how they can assist you. Here type in, "I need to connect to a live person." This phrase is like a magic key, unlocking the path to real live support beyond automated responses and FAQ pages. After indicating your desire to speak with a live person, you should see an option to Contact Support Team. Select this option. It's designed to route you towards personalized help from QuickBooks' dedicated support personnel. You might encounter a step asking you to elaborate on your issue or if you want to start a chat. In this context, if your preference is to directly speak with someone or ensure you're navigating towards a live interaction, choose No to the chat. This keeps your path clear towards speaking with a team member. Following that, you'll see an option stating, "No, I still need help." Click on this to reaffirm your request for direct support. It's an important step as it signals your need for more personalized assistance than what automated services offer. You'll encounter the Contact Support Team option again. Click on it. This might seem repetitive, but it's part of the process to ensure you are directed correctly towards human support, filtering out those who might find their answers in the previous steps. Finally, you'll be presented with choices on how to reach the support team. This could range from phone support, email assistance, or live chat options. Choose the method that you're most comfortable with or suits your needs best. Each has its benefits, whether it's the immediacy of a phone call or the convenience of an email or chat that you can refer back to. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to contact QuickBooks Online support. Remember, clarity and communication can speed up the support process. So when you do connect with the support team, try to be as detailed as possible about the issue you're facing. Whether it's a technical glitch, a billing query, or any other concern, the more information you provide, the easier it will be for them to help you. And one last tip before we conclude. Sometimes the wait times for support can be longer than anticipated. It's always a good idea to have your account information and a brief summary of your issue ready before you reach out. This preparation can make the process smoother and quicker for everyone involved. That's all for now. I hope this video makes your experience with QuickBooks Online even more seamless and stress-free. Don't hesitate to reach out for help when you need it. Support is just a few clicks away. Thank you for watching, and here's to your success with QuickBooks Online.